What's poppin', people? In today's video I'm going to be going over how to replace a passenger airbag light switch on a 3rd gen Ram pickup truck. So basically with this, essentially what happens is there's a light bulb in the switch right here in these trucks that basically goes bad and throws up a light on your dash. So when we go and turn the truck on, we're just going to turn it to the key. This
new doorbusters every weekday. Accelerate all that you do.
This light right here, this airbag light, stays on. It does not go off. So that should be going off, and some of you might think that it's an airbag issue, and it's not. It's actually going to be the light on this switch that is gone wrong. So now what tends to happen with some of these 3rd gen Rams is, say you get a new head unit installed, like on this vehicle right here. I just installed this new head unit, and it somehow tripped this this switch right here to kind of kill itself. So that right there brought the airbag light up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix that real quick. Very simple fix. So right here, let's get right into it. All right, so here's the part. This is a bunch of information for any of you that need it. Right there. Now, for this part, you can replace the bulb by soldering a new one. That's pretty complicated. No one really wants to deal with that. I know I don't. So you can just order the new switch. This is basically what it looks like. Boom, bada bing. Simple like that. That's all it really is. And so once you get your part in, for tools you're going to need is you're going to need some trim tools and a Phillips head screwdriver. So that's all you really need. So first off, you're going to take off this panel, this whole surround. So for that, the first things first is there is a Phillips head screw right in here. I've already taken it out. So that is right there. And then that's the only screw holding it in. And then from there, you're just going to take one of your trim tools. You can do this with a Phillips head screw, or you can do it as a flathead screwdriver. I do not recommend that because it damages it. But if you don't have these trim tools, then you might kind of have to do it like that. So you're just going to kind of go around and try to find a spot that you can pry it from. Typically this side over here is easiest to kind of get it started, and then you can come around and start popping the rest of it off. So I'll be right back once I get it done. So it's just plastic clips or metal clips holding it in, and you just kind of have to give it a little tug, and it should come right out. Not that bad. So we're gonna go over to here. So this is the part right down here. So you want to unplug this part right here. And then you'll see that there's going to be 3 Phillips head screws. You can see one right there. The rest you can't really see from the angle we're at. But you're going to want to take those screws out. So I'm going to take those out real quick. Alright, once you get those 3 screws out, you can see right there, boom. You're going to want to save those screws, because toss the old one over there, because the new one does not come with screws. You need to put those back in. So we're going to go ahead and put the new one in real quick and plug it back in. Alright, we got that screwed back in. It's time to plug her back in. Right into there. Alright, once you plug that back in, you just simply got to put it back into place. Push all the clips in. Make sure you get everything aligned. At least sort of aligned before you should start smashing things into places. Boom, bada bang. That is all the clips push back into each other, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Seems like it. Perfect. All right, there we go. So now that is fixed, and that is replaced. So now it's time to basically see if it fixed it. Over here, turn our key on, check our airbag light. Watch that. Boom. There it goes. It is now off. And basically to ensure the double check, you can go over here. So you can twist it. Twist it to off. You have to stick your key in there for that. Then we're gonna go over here. Look at it. Boom, there's the light. Popped up right there. Boom. So it's that simple. Yep. As you can see, it is no longer there. So that is perfect. And pretty simple job right there. That took what, all of 5 minutes to do, and you knew it by yourself. So if you have that problem with the airbag light coming up and you don't see your off light on, that's all it takes. So yeah, once again, on this is on a 2003 Ram 2500. Doesn't matter what engine you have, because they all have the same bullshit electronic issues. So next it's time to replace all these goddamn switches because they're all broken in this truck. All right, take care, guys.